Here is a guide as to why researchers are turning to the SliceScope for all their applications, including patch clamping in slices and cultured cells, in vivo electrophysiology and multiphoton imaging. It provides an ultra-stable, compact platform with outstanding optics, defining a new benchmark in imaging and electrophysiology research. We have collaborated with labs across the world to ensure usability and versatility of the SliceScope. The slim profile allows researchers to mount other equipment in close proximity to the SliceScope. This may include micromanipulators, stimulation electrodes, temperature controllers and perfusion apparatus. The inspired design, together with high-quality components, provides the researcher with superb images, long-term stability and fingertip motorization control. The smart modular design of the SliceScope allows it to accept a wide range of accessories and light sources best suited to your application, making the SliceScope extremely adaptable over time. Built around the industry-renowned Olympus optics, the SliceScope could be configured with infrared DIC, oblique contrast and dot contrast. It features a motorised focusing condenser enabling optimal kolar illumination. For your most demanding applications, the SliceScope is versatile, intuitive and ultra-stable. It can be adapted to your evolving needs and easily upgraded to a multiphoton imaging system, making it a cost-effective solution.